party day. It is 7:44 a.m. I just woke up. Are you ready to do today? Yeah! Party, 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 party. All right, guys, today, hold on, I'm getting closer. All right, guys, today, I look crazy. Today's gonna be insane, so fun. It's raining. I'm a little nervous that it's gonna rain tonight. Please, let's all say a little prayer. I believe it will stop raining. I have this like gut feeling. I know it. Obviously, I slept very well if my hair looks like this. We're gonna start off our morning with a workout to wake up, get the endorphins pumping, and ready for today. All right, I'm gonna change and do something about this hair. All right, dressed and ready to go to Soul Cycle. Let's go. Ooh, yes! We're going to Soul Cycle. Yes! So cute. We're seeing Dakota, who's our favorite instructor, / Dakota's coming to the party tonight. It's gonna be so fun. Ramshella. Oh my god, I'm so cold. Yay! Hello guys. Spin is over. I feel so good. Class was so amazing and I met like 4 different subscribers in there, which was so cool. I'm very sweaty. I'm going to go into Whole Foods now. Woo! Getting some snacks and stuff for tonight when all the friends come over and we just get ready together. Yay! I feel like I just need to get my morning workout in, get the endorphins going, and now we can like party. Let's do this. Okay. Dun 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 dun. Yeah. Gotta get the good, best chips ever. We'll just do potato chips. Gotta do chips and salsa, of course. No party is complete without those. Ooh, with lime. Yes. Gotta get the salsa. Gotta get the guac. Ooh. There we go. All right, ready to go. All right, guys, back to the apartment, and it's time to make breakfast. I'm making myself a little shake right now. In here, we've got a frozen banana, blueberries, ice water, spinach, protein powder, and almond butter. I'm gonna blend her up and eat her, drink her, I don't know, consume. Alright guys, made the shake, gonna have my breakfast. On today's agenda, we have a lot to do. I need to shower, I need to pack, then I have some last minute prep stuff for the party. We're gonna go do a little shopping to go get a gift for someone very special. Then we're gonna go check into the hotel, get ready, and then the party begins. It's gonna be so fun. Okay, taste test, are we ready? It tastes like ice cream, okay. Let's get this party started. Hi guys. Okay, I just got my spray tan for the party, letting it sink in for right now. I'm not at the Grove, I'm vlogging alone, I'm very nervous. I'm getting a gift. Tommy, my publicist, literally did everything for this party. I can take absolutely 0 credit for anything. He's amazing, he worked his butt off for this. So I am here at the Grove to get him a little gift to say thank you for all his hard work. Everyone's staring at me, but we're gonna go get it for him. There we go. Find the lighting. Okay. Dun 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 dun. Ah, you can't see, but it's the Apple Store. I think we figured out what we're gonna get him. This is cute. I think he'll love it. All right, guys. Secured the bag for Thomas.
What this vlog should be?
What?
I actually thought about. I was like, oh, I should have vlogged for this reason. Blowing up.
No, when you said you were so ugly, like I looked so bad. Sorry.
I want to do it on.
I was like, this is gonna be a great.
Literally,
glow up.
We both have spray tans on.
Spray tans! All right, this one's looking for an outfit for tonight because we've all procrastinated immensely. But we're going to find her something and then head to the hotel. All right, to everybody who thinks that we live very glamorous life, this is what we do on a normal basis. We're sitting here in our pajamas. I'm eating a salad with my fingers because I forgot a fork. We're chilling for the next hour. I'm hoping to get a nap in, shower, get ready.
To shower.
Me too. This is the real tea of Ramchella. Eating salad with my fingers.
I can't wait for us to look so good.
Me too. We need it. I look like a llama. We've arrived. Stop it! Bag, the bag. Oh my god, our squad's here. Ohio squad.
Yo, what happened? What happened?
Ty got me a present.
And Alicia one too.
Oh my god, one of a kind.
Oh my god. You did not!
It's your wallpaper. Oh my gosh. Wait, you have to open it.
Oh, there's stuff inside?
Look at it. Oh my gosh.
I see it. Oh my god.
It's a crown. Oh.
Thank you.
I popped it myself.
Did you? It's so good.
You can tell. You'll probably just like crop them more because I kind of
Oh
like
my
No,
God.
I love it. I love it.
She loves the crop.
She's doing her gifts for Ram. Oh, they're both crying.
I love you. Happy birthday.
This is the nicest card I've ever got. Write this on my grave when I die. This exact message.
Ooh, first of many.
Oh, it just comes up. Wow. Loshi told me that I need to take care of myself more, so she's giving me things to take care of myself. And this one's to take care of your soul. Oh my god, to take care of my ratchet hair. This is so cute. Oh my god, cute. What are they? Oh, it's a little brush. Thank you. I'm gonna go through that in a day.
This one.
To help you think skin deep.
Like, it'll make sense once you like get.
Oh, I'm already worrying about her birthday now. How am I gonna one up
No,
this?
you have to enjoy.
I know it. Oh my god, cool.
Okay, it should be pink, and you put like face mask and like your skincare in it because like it's better for your product.
Really?
Yeah. Have you seen it?
No.
It's so
But I
cute.
can also put a sandwich.
You can People put it on like their makeup desk and put like their Lush face
Oh my
mask.
god.
Yeah.
Oh my god, cute. It is pink.
Oh my god, yay!
Oh my gosh, it keeps coming.
To help you become. I'm like always worried it's a content product.
We love that.
Oh my god! We walked by in Ohio.
We did.
And we talked about these. I almost bought my robe here.
Oh my god, look what it says. No.
Content baby.
Oh my, it says red. I was going to bring my robe, but then I was like, oh, the hotel probably has some. And then as I was driving, I was like, I really wish I had my
Oh
own
my
robe.
God.
And I got my own robe.
One more.
Thank you.
Come now.
Here, I was like, dang.
Even
But
my-
it was my idea.
Oh, I've never been before. To the spa. To the Burke Williams spas.
I know. So we can go together.
Oh my god, yay! Oh my god, wow, full spa day.
You did a good job. A
I
plus
get a
on this.
benefit from that too, you know.
Oh my god, you did not. I told her I wanted to get myself an apple
But I already
one.
thought about it before you said it, then I got mad.
No, I've been wanting one, and but I just never got myself one.
Oh, happy birthday. I love you so much.
I love everything. Hi guys, I'm wearing my new robe from Loesch. I'm now in the bathroom, and it's very echoey in here, so I don't think I'm gonna do a full tutorial, but I do want to do my makeup for you guys, and I'm gonna play the new Ariana Grande album, and we can just speed through this together, and it's gonna be good. For the look tonight, I think I'm gonna do pretty like normal stuff that I normally do. Lavette is doing my hair, who is my favorite hairstylist in the entire world. Right now, Alicia's getting her hair done, so while Alicia does hair, I'm gonna do makeup. And we're gonna go for it. I also got my lashes done for the party, but they're a little wonky, and I feel like I need a little bit more bam. So I brought lashes too. So we're gonna put them on. It's gonna be fun. Oh, I don't know if I have a liquid liner. Oh, I do, okay. We're good. Okay, I'm gonna get my phone, play some music. We're gonna speed through this. I look like a founding father. Yay! Wow. My face looks like a baby's butt. are dramatic, but I like. Of course, we need glitter for Ramchella. So I'm using this glitter from Urban Decay. It's silver to match my dress. I'm gonna load up the bottom lash line, put on mascara. It's gonna be good. Glitter. Okay, it's a lot of glitter. We'll do touch-ups later, but for now, that's looking good. Highlighter, of course, Oprah, always. We gotta be a star. Mix all three. Ooh, yeah. Okay. We'll do touch-ups later, but not too shabby.
What's up, Remy? Happy birthday!
I'm so excited.
Hey, Remy! Happy birthday!
Hey!
Hey,
Hi, Remy!
Give me like, and then by the end of the night, I'm like, hey, Remy, happy birthday.
Hair is done. This is my dream Coachella hair. We've got little braids. I've always wanted these so badly, little space ones. I feel like Ariana Grande. I gotta finish my makeup. I'm so excited. Everyone's gonna be here in like an hour and a half or so. But apparently there's a surprise and I need to sit
Yes.
somewhere else. Yes?
Yes.
I don't know. Who is this surprise from?
We'll cut to the surprise right now.
Hit it, DJ! I don't want it! I don't want it! Really? I really actually don't want it. Thank you though.
So, how was your surprise?
As you can tell, I'm not a fan of whatever just happened. My face, is it still red? I feel like I'm blushing still. I get nervous. To the guy, I'm really sorry if I offended him. I just get stage fright. Thank you to Benefit Cosmetics for sending me their wonderful birthday gift. I'm sorry I didn't respond how people normally would. Ramchella. This is for Tommy,
Oh my God, I have to put this
for
on.
everything that he did for Ramchella. Alright guys, Ramchella outfit is done! I'm wearing this top that I actually wore. You guys saw in the video if you watched the behind the scenes of my outfit struggles. I wore this top to Coachella last year, so I thought it was nice and reminiscent. I got these earrings from Topshop, skirt from Revolve. It's for Love and Lemons. I thought it was very Coachella-ish, and then my favorite shoes ever so I can dance the night away. I have not seen the venue, but apparently, according to everyone, it's like amazing, and I'm so excited, and thank you so much to my team and to all my friends for coming, and I'm so excited. We're gonna have such a fun night. So we're gonna go, and let's cut to my reaction seeing the venue for the first time ever.